Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. As you can tell, obviously, by the title, this is an unboxing from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. And it's a cool order. I ordered a bunch of stuff, and it's in a huge box. It's like 3 foot by 3 foot. It seems like the box is about as big as a suitcase. In fact, I thought we were getting a suitcase when it got delivered. But little heads up, I got an order from Steve over at Value Gear that you guys aren't going to want to miss. I'm going to unbox this and show you what I got from Value Gear. A lot of cool stuff over at Value Gear. You're not going to want to miss that. I hope you know what Value Gear is. And I got another little box. I love this box. I wanted to show it off. It's from Green Stuff World. If you guys have never heard of Green Stuff World, check them out. But I'm going to do a little unboxing on Green Stuff World. I got some cool stuff in here you're not going to want to miss for some upcoming projects I've got that's pretty cool. But in the meantime, get this big old crate over here. Oh, this thing's huge. It goes all the way down. I think it's like 2.5 by 2.5. It's my big box from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. Let's get into this thing and see what I got. This box is huge. Let's get into this thing. Andy's HHQ Hobby Headquarters. Alright, as you can see, I have not gotten into this yet. So, got all kinds of goodies. Got my order form. What else I get with my order form? I got a ho 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 happy hobby days. Almost said holiday. Happy hobby days. That's pretty cool. Merry everything. Gratitude never takes a holiday. We greatly appreciate your support and wish you and all the best a happy new year. All right. Thank you. Thank you. And the crew at Andy's wish you guys a happy new year too. I'm gonna probably put this, I'm gonna hit my light. I don't want to do that. What we got first? Okay, first things first. Got that trailer. I love that. I mean, I'm into trailers. As you're gonna see in my 2024 builds and 25 builds coming up, that I've been into trailers all of a sudden. They're fun builds. You can do a lot with them. They're kind of icebreakers. I call them icebreaker builds. And a good thing about a car trailer, not necessarily this one, is when you build your cars, you can put it on top. But anyway, cool little kit there. And this Jeep is neat. I like that Jeep from Tacom. I thought that was cool. So, if you guys aren't military guys, you're an automotive guy watching this, he's got stuff on here that's kind of automotive related, as you see. But really looking forward to that kit. There ain't much to it either. It's a fun little build. Another one that I thought was pretty cool that's kind of automotive related is this little utility vehicle. Man, is that neat or what? Look at that thing. I don't know. I saw that, and you could I almost want to buy 2 of these. You can almost go 2 ways with this. Either do military, or I kind of see sci-fi in that. Man, would that be cool, a sci-fi or what? Check that out. But again, guys, if you know, you're an automotive builder, which most of you guys are out there, man, check these out. These are really cool. You know, don't let the 35th scale scare you away. Let's see what else we got. Got a nice little grip set. Been wanting one of these. You take your clips and you stick them in there and they stick up, and you can paint stuff real easy, and you can hold this in your hand and maneuver it around. So, neat little grip set I got. Another trailer. You can see the theme. I'm going to be doing a lot of trailers for 2025. Well, I'm in a trailer mood. I don't know why. That's all it is to that. Talk about a fun little build. Build this trailer, you can hook it up to anything if you do with 35th scale. And if you're in 25th scale, they've got tons of trailers also in those scales. but kind of in a trailer mood. That's what it looks like put together. And again, you can do anything with this you want to. You can put it behind anything. What else we got? He threw in some sanding sticks because I bought a bunch of stuff. So, never have enough sanding sticks, especially when they're free. Got some paper. Another cool kit. I thought that there was just Screaming Sci-Fi. That is neat. I like that. Again, if you're an automotive person, a lot of neat stuff in here. And don't let 35th scale scare you. Move this box over a little bit, get some room. Let's look inside this one. It comes with the sag tires, so they're kind of flattened because of the weight. What a cool build. This is going to be neat. There's your other tires if you don't want to use them ones. But again, guys, oh, sorry to hit the camera. That's kind of why I bought that tow truck. I think that's really neat. And it's in 35th scale, but still, it's fun to build. Here's what that looks like. And that's Screaming Sci-Fi to me. That thing just screams sci-fi. Or if I want to do military, I can do military. Got some more sanding sticks. I think those were thrown in for free too because I bought a bunch of stuff. Never have enough sanding sticks, like I said a minute ago. And another trailer. Military or sci-fi. Put that behind one of them sci-fi vehicles. See, Mad Max, sci-fi. Let's open this up. Quick, fun little build. That's all there is to it. Really nothing to it. Yeah, that'll be a fun little, again, it's kind of like a little icebreaker build. Sorry, all you hardcore military guys, but I see sci-fi. And again, remember the Value Gear. Remember I told you I got an order from Value Gear? A lot of the Value Gear is going to be going on all this stuff. And why was my box so big? Here's another reason the box was so big. I got this big thing. And when I say big, look at that. Look how big that kit is. It's going to be my first 16th scale kit. Never done one of these. I'm crashing and burning over here. So if you're not wanting 35th scale and you want to try some armor, here's some much bigger scale for you. 16th. Look how big those panels are. There's a lot to this. Road wheels down there. So, very cool. Love this order. Keep an eye out for these builds and the ones I just showed you. And we got a lot of truck builds coming up. Super excited about this order from Andy's. Well, what'd you think? I know most of you guys watching, yes, you that are watching, aren't into that military stuff, and I understand. Military fun. I love weathering. That's how I learned to weather, by nitpicking some military weathering builds of some guys that build them that I really like. So I was like, man, how'd you do that? But if you like weathering at all, you might want to check out some military stuff, or maybe some Gundams. Speaking of weathering and Gundams and stuff, got another video you might want to watch out for that's coming up. Or it's out now, depending on when you're watching this. All my builds from 2024. I finished more than I thought. It's kind of funny how a year goes by and you're building, you don't realize how many you built. It's like, man, I did more than I thought I built. Or it's like, I don't think I built that many, and you didn't build that many. But I thought I did pretty good for 2024, so you might want to check that video out. But don't forget about Green Stuff World. And don't forget about Steve over at Value Gear. They got some cool stuff. You can check out those videos. Depending on when you're watching this, I'll unbox those and show you what I got. And some neat stuff coming up for 2025. And we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power. Oh, and some bonus footage. I'll be working on that truck. this US tow truck. I think it's really cool. And these markers from AK, I love these markers. I've been using the heck out of them. I'm getting some requests to do some videos. I'm getting a lot of people asking me how I like them because I'm constantly talking about them. They said, what do you think about them? I love these markers. Check them out. But I'm going to do a video on these markers, so you might want to check that out too. See what I think about them, see how to use them. And watch for a video on this and some other truck stuff also. And with that, this time, we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.